Gagalit ang ating baby. Hello, guys. So, hindi ako agad, guys, nag-vlog ng maaga dahil alam niyo naman, may baby tayo, alaalaga lagi. But anyway, pagkarga kasi siya, pag tulog siya, guys, hindi ko siya masyadong binababa kasi naiistorbo yung kanyang tulog. Nahayaan ko siyang matulog sa akin. So, ayusin ko na tong kanyang mga dedehan. Tapos na natin tong sterilize. So, pinaliguan ko siya kanina sa bathtub ng nakaupo. Tuwang-tuwa naman siya. Gamit-gamit ko yung bigay ng anak ni Mister na kulay blue na inuupuan niya. Ang cute-cute. Sinisipa-sipa niya yung tubig. Ang bilis lumaki ng ating baby, guys. Ano nyo, lumalakad na. Natutuwa ako pag pinapanood ko yung mga ibang videos niya. Nung maliit pa siya. Nung ilang months pa lang. Tapos nung nanganak nga ako, di ba syempre maliit pa. Parang inip na inip ako sa kanyang lumaki. Tapos feeling ko kasi ang payat-payat niya. Do hindi naman siya mapayat. Pero nag-lose kasi siya ng weight nung ako'y nanganak. Kaya nga, pina-appointment agad kami ng midwife. Yung nag-home visit dito. Pinadala agad sa hospital. Pero ngayon, feeling ko naman ang bilis niyang lumaki. Ang bigat-bigat niya, parang hirap na hirap ako. Lagi. I-ready ko na tong kanyang mga milk. Kasi hihingi na yun. Nag-iingay. Ewan ko guys kung naririnig nyo pero nasigaw siya. Ang lakas ng boses. Gusto nun mag-milk. Kakagising lang. Titimplahan na natin ng milk ang ating baby. So, ang dami na namang basura ni Mister. Siguro nagmamadali siyang pumasok kaninang umaga. Kaya hindi nakapagtapon ng basura. Ako na lang magtatapon. Lalabas ako. Pero padidahin muna natin ang ating baby. Gagalit. Gagalit ating baby na sigaw. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi ako guys nagluto. Magluluto for dinner ng maaga. Kasi ang gagawin naming dinner na lang ni Mr. is yung kanyang yung ano namin, binili na marinated pork na. Pwede na yun for later. Tara muna, guys. Yes? Bakit? Hi, guys. This is our baby. Wait, stop eating your fingers. Stop eating it. It's not for eating. You drop all your, things. Hi, come on na. So, hindi pa natin napapamilk ang ating baby, guys. Dahil siya ay pinalitan ko ng nappy. Nagpupo. Kaya siguro siya nakatagilid dun sa kanyang upuan. Dahil nadidiri sa kanyang puwet. Nalalagkitan ikaw. Nalalagkitan ikaw. Ay! So pretty naman ang iyong damit. Little Wood. Bigat mo. You're so pretty naman. Hi, ikaw sa kanila. Hi, guys. How are you? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Gusto laging babangon. Akala mo, ang laki-laki na. Akala mo naman, 1-year-old ka na. Gusto mo, lagi ka nakaupo. Yes? Gusto mo, lagi kang tatayo. Hello, guys. Hello, ikaw. Hello. Ang kalat natin, eh. Hello. Dali, mag-milk ka na. Ang bigat mo ikaw. So, ganito lang, guys. Ang ating routine paggising. Buhat-buhat. Sayaw-sayaw. Dali na. Mag-milk ka na. Katingin sa mic. Gusto mo yung mic? Ito. Ito one? Huwag mo tignan yung mic. Hi guys! Ikaw. Hi! Chung. Kaya natin yung cloth mo. Sarap shower. Nag-shower siya. Nag-shower ikaw. Basta yung muna naman, bib. Oops. Wow, good job. Good job. Aray ko. Natunog yung mo, star. From Ate Laura. Galing to sa anak ni Mr. guys. Tumedyas taka itong kanyang top.
They fell on the floor.
And then you broke it?
Right?
Which one?
These two, they fell on the floor when I moved.
It's okay.
So I put them over there.
I can wash it again. So I want to... So dark, Mister. Gonna cook this in the air fryer, but you're gonna cook the potato first?
We can do them in the oven if you want. Whichever.
Your potatoes? Okay, then. I'll do this. I'm so thirsty. In the microwave. And the air fryer. I'm gonna boil this. I think I want some also. I'm gonna boil this.
Cool.
If all. Just a little. Because I'm starving. I'm hungry. I didn't eat rice.
Here you go.
So since you're complaining you're always eating rice, we're gonna have potatoes. How many potatoes you cooking? 4? 3?
Whatever we do.
No, here, the Coke. I made it full. It's flat. I'm gonna do it here. Let's cook this. First. Can do again later. Is it the paint or I did not wash it properly? I didn't see it last night. So it's not the paint. Show me. A little some, I think.
Yeah, I need to sack the washer up.
This one, oh, look at this. It's bliss. What do you call
Yeah,
it?
it's blistering, I
Blister?
noticed.
I'm gonna boil some water for the broccoli.
I boiled the kettle, I think. I filled it and boiled it. Oh.
What? Hot? Okay, yeah, then let's use the hot water for our broccoli.
Yeah, but you think you can eat all that one? And I have them too?
I'll starving before we go to sleep. I'll starve. You only need to eat 1 potato. You're losing your weight. You must give 2 each, so we're not fighting over 1.
I can cut it off, I don't mind.
What I'm thinking is, I'm gonna cook it all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna boil my. Can you give me the lid? So it boil again AC. I'm gonna boil my lady finger. She said baby finger. They're so small.
It's still not fully clean, but we know it's worth cleaning.
It's burnt garlic.
Yeah, possibly.
Putting the orchids here so that it gets sun. Why you keep cuddling me?
I'm a cuddling, yeah?
I have a mic. Oh,
At least you can answer that without me answering.
Ow.
Why do you think I'm cuddling you?
ow.
Why do you think I'm cuddling you?
Why? You miss me? You love me? What is it?
That's it. 3 words. I miss you, I love you. That's why.
With 6 words. Starving. I said to Arlis, I really want to lose the weight, but the thing is, I'm starving, so I eat more bread.
Bread's not good. Bread will make you put weight on.
Yeah, instead of rice.
Yeah.
So I better have rice instead of a bread. Is it what you're saying? Why?
Hey!
My. Smells good. I'm eating banana for breakfast when I woke up. So you have to buy me banana. Yeah, you have to check her. So si Mr. ang taya guys sa pagluluto tonight. Dahil siya daw ay always rice and rice. Nagko-complain na.
She's tired out from the bath.
She had a nap after bath.
Yeah, but she's tired
And
out.
then I just let her sleep on my arm because I don't want to disturb her. I want her to have, at least
Yeah.
long nap. And then she walks up around 20 minutes, after 20 minutes or 30 minutes. That's why she is tired. She's not really sleeping. It's literally a nap, a short nap.
So look, you see how it's bubbling out.
How did you,
Fork,
how many?
3.
3 times each potatoes?
Yeah.
Only on the top or top and
you only
bottom?
need to do one side. It's to let it out for another minute. They're really hot, but they're just going soft.
It's still hard.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, medyo nakulo na ang ating, ano ba to? Ano kayong yung patatas? Medyo nakulo na ang ating water para sa ating broccoli and sa ating okra. Sasawsaw ko sa alamang yung ating okra. Parang okay na guys ang ating okra. Tatanggalin ko na at pangit itong masyadong dabog. Ano bang tawag doon? Itong luto. Kahit tanggalin na natin. Yung ating broccoli ay matigas pa yung tangkay. Nagagasgas ang ating pan. Ito na lang. Ating gamitin. Cut na natin to. Malambot na. Ipi-plating ko na to guys, tong ating broccoli dahil siksikan masyado dito sa ating pansala. Kita nyo baga? Yan. Siksikan kasi dito. Ayaw pala guys ni Mr. ng okra. Hindi siya nakainon. Kaya yung okra, ako lang ang kakain. Ang init. Why you are awake? Ha? Hello, pretty naman. Ano sa baby? Hello. Look sa camera. I use that for broccoli. And then you're gonna put some cheese. We have cheddar cheese there. Can you use it? It's so dirty.
So it doesn't burn on.
Looking at the camera, I really can't carry you for a long period of time because you're growing so fast. You're growing so fast. Look at this. Look at that cheeks, so pink. I'm gonna put some shrimp paste on my plate. It needs to have a bit of salt. I forgot to put some salt. Oh, so much. Nearly cooked. Sat on it.
I like your socks.
It's from Laura.
I know, I like the rainbows. Look, together.
Yeah, just rubbing it earlier. You have a nice socks, look. But it's quite small. Look at the sole. It's in a wrong place. It looks soft. Not yet. It looks soft, isn't it? Looks nice, nice. And then you're gonna put it back in the oven for the cheese. Or that's it. You're just gonna sprinkle some cheese on it.
On the plate though.
Okay. Smells good. Smells good. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Smiling. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nice. Thank you. I think we need some salt for the, what is it? For the broccoli. Let's eat, guys. Kain tayo. Don't move. Naughty.
Do you want some mayonnaise?
Yeah, I think so. Stop moving backward. Hi. I like the pork. It's good. Soft. Soft. Have you put some salt?
So I did salt on your potato and on your broccoli.
It's nice.